What's up everybody, welcome back to Campbell Kitchen. Today we're going to make charred Brussels sprouts with bacon, bourbon, and pickled onions. The way I like to clean them is cut the bottom off, take the outer leaves off because they're a little bitter and dirty sometimes, and then cut them directly in half. It's pretty simple once you get the hang of it. Now let's cut up some bacon. I'm using sliced bacon, but you can use pancetta, guanciale, slab bacon. Any kind of cured, smoky, delicious pork product is going to go really well with these Brussels sprouts. I like to cut them in bite-sized pieces. It makes it easier to crisp up and to eat. Now get yourself a saute pan over medium heat, add a little oil, and add your bacon directly to that pan. Cook over medium heat until it's nice and crispy. There's no hurry, you don't need to rush it. Nice medium heat works well. Once it's crispy like that, pour it in a bowl and reserve the fat. Now use that same saute pan once it's cleaned out, add a little bacon fat, add a little olive oil, and place your Brussels sprouts cut side down. It's definitely more time consuming, but the results are so much better. You get that nice uniform crust that's just perfect. So I let them cook over medium heat. You don't want to go too high because they're just going to burn and they're going to be raw. I go medium heat. Make sure you add a lot of salt, a lot of white pepper. White pepper is really delicious with Brussels sprouts. It makes a huge difference. Make sure you continuously add fat. You want to make sure that there's fat pooled around the edge of the pan. That means there's enough and you're going to get uniform color. Now after about 10 minutes, I add a little bacon, and let's just take a peek to make sure that we have that nice char. That's exactly what I'm looking for, a nice crust. So now let's add the bourbon. It's very important you turn off the heat. You don't want a flame around when you add that bourbon. It will blow up in your face. Turn off the heat, add your bourbon. It's about 1.5 ounces of bourbon. It's going to glaze up instantly around your Brussels sprouts and just add a nice sweetness and depth of flavor. Now some people say this is going to be a little too dark, but actually that bitter charred flavor works really well with the bacon and that mustardy Brussels sprout flavor. Don't be afraid of the char. If you want less color, you can always go a little lighter. These are the same pickled onions I used in a previous video. I'll make sure to leave the link in the description below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more videos coming soon.